Tired of breakage, dry curls, and zero growth? This one natural ingredient might be all you need. It defines your curls, makes detangling easier, reduces breakage, and boosts growth in just weeks. Let me show you exactly how I make and use flaxseed gel for real results. The star of this recipe is flax seeds, and trust me, they're very powerful when it comes to hair growth. They're packed with omega-3, fatty acids, and vitamin E, which nourish the scalp, promotes faster hair growth, and reduce breakage. Flax seeds also define your curls, add shine, and make detangling so much easier, all while keeping your hair moisturized and frizz-free. Turn on medium heat and stir frequently to prevent sticking. Let it boil until the mixture thickens. It should have a slimy gel-like texture. This will take about 10 minutes. Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Flaxseed gel also works great as a pre-poo treatment, and that's what I'll be doing today. I apply it generously to slightly damp hair, focusing on my strands and scalp. It softens the hair, melts tangles, and makes finger detangling so much easier. Massaging it into the scalp also helps stimulate circulation, which supports healthy hair growth. I'm going to leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes, then follow up with my regular wash day routine. Apply the gel from root to tip, smoothing it through your hair with your fingers. As you go, gently finger detangle each section to distribute the gel evenly and minimize breakage. Make sure you first finger detangle before going in with a brush or comb. If you're targeting hair growth, be sure to massage it onto your scalp too. You can also use flaxseed gel to style your twist outs, braid outs, or even wash and goes. For best results, apply it to damp, freshly washed hair and smooth it through each section evenly. It gives beautiful curl definition with a soft, flexible hold, leaving no flakes. And that's how I make and use flaxseed gel for healthy hair. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair videos. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying it. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Bye bye.